Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today I'm bringing to you another easy manicure tutorial. Without wasting time, let's just get started. First, I'll come in with some cuticle softener to help soften up the cuticles. Next, I'll push my cuticles back. I'll come in with my electric file and file the surface and the tips as well. I'll come in with my primer. I'll give my nails one coat each. With the help of my nail glue, I'll just stick the fake nails onto my natural nails. In this video, I'm using the square nails and these are the extra short square nails. I'll just file up the pointy plastic on the tip of the nail. I'll come in with the base coat. Since nude is my favorite color, I'll like my nails to look very neutral, very natural, so I'll come in with this light brown nail polish. I'll go ahead and give my nails one coat each. Afterwards, I'll cure them in the UV light for about 60 seconds. Next, I'll come in with the second coat since I want it more vivid. Finally, I'll come in with a glossy top coat. And with some cuticle oil to help relax the cuticles. My easy manicure at home. I hope you like the color and I hope you are going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.